Hi there, in this quick video we're going to show you how to set up your marketing analytics. Before we do, it's important that we have a common definition for a certain word that's going to be referred to in the marketing analytics called goals. Now goals are just your way of keeping score. It's really that simple. In the case of a soccer game, that's when the ball goes into the net. That's a goal. In the case of e-commerce, that could be when a user has reached the receipt page, which is the page they would see after checkout. That page is important to you if you're running an e-commerce site because it means somebody has spent money on your website. So we would call that a goal. Another type of goal might be a thank you page, typically shown after somebody has opted in to your form. So let's say they go through a landing page and they put in their information, which means you get a lead, and they then see a thank you page. The thank you page is what is considered the goal, and what we want to do is track that so that we can help you get more of them and determine how people got to that goal. So let's start at the top. If you click here, it's going to bring you to a list of profiles page, or you can also just go there directly, which is under settings, analytics. When you get there, you may not see anything if you're a brand new user, or you may see a list of profiles, which are companies that you promote. Now, profiles might be your own company, or it might be a company that you work for and you want to promote offers for that company. We realize that some people wear multiple hats and may be promoting affiliate offers or multi-level marketing or network marketing, or perhaps they have a day job and a night job. Whatever the case is, the application can support multiple profiles. Each one of those would be here. If you click Set as Default, that's going to show on your home page for the graphs in this place once this is set up. So let's start. Let's jump right in. So go ahead and either create a new profile or click an existing profile for which you want to see the marketing analytics. Whichever one is most important to you should probably be your default here. You can see the numbers for the other ones. It just won't be on your homepage dashboard. Once you get to the Profiles page, which is accessible by going to Home, Profiles, once you get to this list of profiles, just go ahead and click Settings. In this case, I'm going to click this for Coldwell Banker. It's going to bring up this page. This will probably be blank for you. I've been using this account for testing. So just ignore this information. It's not required, and it will be generated automatically by the server. Now here's where we stop, and we need to retrieve some information from Google Analytics. The way that we do that is start by going to just google.com/analytics. Now Google Analytics is really powerful, and it's free for the essential basic version, which is what most people have, and it's very effective. That's not just a watered down light version. It's very powerful. The majority of small businesses are on Google Analytics free version. So what Google Analytics can do is give you tremendous information about who is using your website, how many people were on there, how long did they spend on there, what was their path, their flow through your website, how many pages were they on, even how did they get to your website, right? Whether they came from Google or Yahoo or Bing or YouTube, something like that. On the inside, you may see a list of properties. You may just see one, you may see none. But once you do, you'll get to something like this. Go ahead and click on this, and you'll get to a page that looks like this. You can take a moment to familiarize yourself, but for now, let's keep our eye on the ball and just get the information required by our program to set up the information for our analytics. So once you get to this page, go ahead and click Admin in the top right. You'll get to a page that looks like this. The first thing we're going to do, there are really two numbers that we need at this time. The first is property settings. So go ahead and click property settings, and you're going to get this number that looks like this. Copy this number, and you can do that by hitting Control-C or Command-C on a Mac, and paste it into this space here, right here, just like that, just like the example, something like that. Paste that there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to this, and we're going to hit this little Return to Admin, and we're going to go to View Settings. On View Settings, we need a View ID. And this is just a slice of looking at this data. So we're going to copy that number. You can right-click on a PC, or you can, again, hit Control-C or Command-C. We're going to go back and we're going to paste that information right here. That's it. You're done. Hit Save Changes. Once you are done with that, then you can see those numbers in Google Analytics, and it's going to show right here. I'm going to hit this Set as Default. And now when I go to my home page, I'm going to see my graphs working. And in the near future, these will be customizable to whatever your KPIs, key performance indicators, whatever information is important to you, we want to allow you to put it right here.